Hey everybody, this is Mike. This is the beginning of my new YouTube channel. It's called Grow Room 101. I'm just making my very first video here so I can get out there, get my channel up. There'll be more about, what I'm doing, what I'm trying to do later on in other videos. Right now I'm just getting my things in. Here's what's all come in so far. It's all coming in a little at a time. My grow tent's right there. It's a Mars tent. I got Mars lighting. All my little things are over here, starting to come in. Meters and pH plus and pH minus. So my first video probably I'll do on seed germination, maybe 3 different ways. You know, easy way with tap water, all the way up to using distilled water and doing different ways. But I'll get into that later. Right now I just want to get out there and get my videos out there. So please, if you would, go to my channel and subscribe, like, make a comment if you'd like to, because this is all about growing legal marijuana at home. So if you're interested in doing that, that's what my videos are about, more towards the beginner or the people who want to do it but don't think they can do it. I can show you how, and really all you need is a closet, basically, if that's what you got. So anyway, we'll get more in depth in that, but right now I just need to get out there, get my name out. Again, it's Grow Room 101. I'll have more videos coming very soon, but I need your input, so please go to my channel, like, subscribe, and make a comment, and hit the little bell so you know when new videos come up. So I'll go ahead and try and edit this a little bit and go ahead and get it posted, but this is just a very short snippet. Thank you very much. Thank you.